Now, at the time of this recording, the average rate to clean a trash can is around $10. So if you were to do 50 trash cans in a day, that's $500. And all you need to get started in this business is a pressure washer and a sprayer. A pressure washer, as we talked about earlier, you can buy an electric one, you could buy a gas one, and they even have battery-powered ones. Now, I wouldn't recommend the battery-powered ones for pressure washing, but for simply doing trash cans, it's a great option, and it's going to be plenty of power for you. Then you pick up a just standard, I guess it's like a bug sprayer or a weed sprayer, and you fill that with the sanitizing solution, and you spray the can after you've cleaned it out. And that helps to rid off the disease and the smell and all that funky stuff that's left over. So if you want to get started in trash can cleaning, make sure to check out this article from the people at Bin Wash Systems. They basically share with you everything you need to know. Plus, they have a great pricing chart in there for you to help you guys get started.